Welcome to this Thumbstick tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix a camera bug in Roblox Mobile without leaving the game. This issue usually happens due to game-specific glitches or incorrect movement settings. First, while staying inside the game, check if the issue is only happening in the current experience. If the camera bug feels stuck or glitchy, it may be specific to that game. So try continuing briefly and see if it improves. Next, tap the Roblox icon at the top of the screen and go to Settings. Scroll down until you find View and Controls. Here you will see Movement Mode. Switch it until you see Classic Thumbstick. This helps reset movement and camera behavior to normal controls. Once changed, exit the settings and test the camera again by moving around and rotating your view. In many cases, this will fix the camera glitch without needing to leave the game. And that's it. We just learned how to fix a camera bug in Roblox Mobile by adjusting movement mode to Classic Thumbstick without leaving the game. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next Thumbstick tutorial video.